Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you have created too many pages recently. Please try again. So guys, if you try to create a new page on Facebook and you have given your name and try to tap on next and it's showing that error, you have created too many pages. Okay guys, first of all you have to change your name and try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that if you have less than 3 pages, if you have already 3 pages, then you cannot create a new one. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to delete the previous page which is unnecessary for you, and just simply you have to try to create a new one and make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you have to delete another page from the Facebook and try to create a new one. So guys, if you don't have previous pages and still you cannot create a new one, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on help and support. Let me tell you that you have to talk to a Facebook team and tell them that you want to create a page and it's not working for you. So just simply you have to tap on report a problem, then you have to tap on report a problem again and wait some second, and just simply you have to tap on include and report. Now from here guys, just simply you have to locate for pages because we are going to request for pages, so you have to tap on that. So from here you have to tap on upload from phone, and from here you have to select that screenshot. So after selecting the screenshot guys, just simply you have to describe your issue. So I have already copied and given the description as well. So just simply you have to tap on this send icon and your request will be sent to Facebook team, and hopefully they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.